Let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard of the power of one when it comes to building your credit profile for fundability? I bet you haven't. So today is the power of one. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dulgheru, aka the Solutionist. I help people to rebuild and remaster their credit so they can make those big ticket purchases needed to grow. In a previous episode, we discussed the perfect profile. Today, I want to go over the power of one. The power of one is very important when we're restoring and building a profile for fundability. Fundability. It's not, like we touched on last time, your credit profile and your approval in the eyes of creditors is not necessarily based on that 3-digit FICO score. That's just a generalization. It comes down to the fundability and the various aspects and items being reported on that overall credit profile. So credit repair companies build for FICO score, total solution trust, and myself, the Solutionist, build for fundability. Coming back to the power of one. The power of one is this. One name, one address, one phone number, one employer. This shows stability to potential and current creditors. It shows that you don't move around, you don't jump around. You're stable, you're responsible. Even if this is a guise that your credit profile must have if you're going to be making those large ticket purchases, like purchasing a home or a car, or leveraging it to create new streams of income. Think about this. Has anyone ever told you that you can leverage great credit to create monthly income that will change your experience today? Think about it. What if you didn't have to go to your job to exchange time, money, effort, time away from your family for a paycheck? What if you were able to leverage your great credit profile to create monthly income? How would that change your experience and the experience of your family? What kind of impact would that have? And as you grow more sources of income, leveraging your credit, you start tapping into generational wealth. Look, the power of one is quite simple. One name, one address, one employer, one phone number. If you have any questions, need any help, either on the perfect profile formula, on fundability, or on the power of one, or any of the topics that we've covered, please reach out. Our email is here. We look forward to hearing from you. We love to answer your questions. We love to educate and help you understand your role in commerce as a consumer. It's become tired witnessing and watching creditors and credit reporting agencies taking advantage of consumers because consumers are unbeknownst to the process that creditors and credit reporting agencies are subject to, including their obligations under law. This needs to stop. I want to educate all consumers so that it can stop right at home, that you don't need to enlist a specialist. You can learn the principles, learn how to restore and rebuild and leverage that credit, and pass it on to your family, your children, your spouse, your cousins, aunts, uncles, your grandchildren. Our aim here is to change lives, to create generational wealth. Credit can create generational wealth. If you enjoyed this video and you found intense value in it, please share with friends, family, co-workers, or people you don't even know. Because again, it is our mission to spread education about credit and finance to have an impact on everyday lives. Please like and subscribe to Total Solution Trust Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Instagram. We'd love to have you a part of our family so that we can continue to share and bring you that information on how to restore your credit and how to create new streams of income that will create that impact for you now. Again, I'm Lauren, aka the Solutionist, here to help you restore, rebuild, and remaster that credit profile so that you can make those big ticket purchases you need to grow and leverage it to create monthly income and generational wealth.